Hello everyone, you are on the NelForBit channel. In this video, I would like to introduce you to MetaTrads. Let's look at the structure of this project together and talk about its features. MetaTrads is the leading aggregate trading platform in Metaverse Ecology. It aims to create the world's largest platform for the dissemination of environmental values for GameFi. The MetaTrads platform introduces mystery boxes, cards, prize pools, and other application scenarios that develop user habits and popularize the concept of the game through a rich and fun gameplay. In order to accumulate a pool of users and increase liquidity, the platform allows users to receive GameFi assets for free by voting. MetaTrads strives to create a community-based gaming assets trading platform with ideal underlying technology, user-friendly handling, personalized ownership, and an open and transparent publishing model. Managed through the DAO, everyone has the right to vote and decide how the world works. All of this will change the GameFi industry model. The project has enough reason to believe that the GameFi industry is growing rapidly, and that is exactly what MetaTrads wants. It's worth talking a bit about NPT Cards. MetaTrads NPT Cards are created jointly by several artists, each with a globally unique number and divided into 6 grades: U, N, R, SR, SSR, and UR, depending on the rarity of the cards. The rarity setting is based on public expectations and verifiable contract codes. The higher the rank and rarity, the fewer the numbers will be. MetaTrads has a number of advantages that you should pay attention to. MetaTrads can be applied in a variety of areas, not limited to GameFi or DeFi, but also be able to develop new zones for transactions and asset circulation, such as copyright protection, digital art trade, charities, and intellectual property. Bonuses include frequent airdrops, early token sales, controlled decentralized storage, and more. The projects know exactly what to offer to its users. MetaTrads will definitely suit every beginner and professional user, thanks to its limited possibilities. It can be used in several areas, be it trading markets, asset auction, sales, or custom requests. The MetaTrads market will be similar to eBay GameFi. Sellers display GameFi assets on the platform and can sell them at a fixed price or through an auction. Buyers pay according to the actual situation and transfer the asset upon completion of the payment. Before the MetaTrads auction, the seller can set a receive price and a limited time. The buyer's bid price must be higher than this reserve price. The highest bidder will receive an encrypted assets auctioned by the seller for a limited time. On MetaTrads, buyers can purchase both single items and bundled products. The platform will create a direct channel for developers to turn their talented thoughts into money in line with the adaptability of the applications. The token of the project is MT token, the total amount of which is 10 billion. The distribution of tokens is as follows: 10% goes to institutions, 0.25% to the whitelist, 0.65% in IDO, 0.10% on pod, 0.05% on various airdrop, 10% remains with the founding team, 50% on R&D, and 63.98% is allocated for their production. You can purchase MT on PancakeSwap. The token will allow its holders to propose options for the development of the project, vote, manage it, as well as participate in various distributions of tokens and entities. You can also become lucky and interact with MetaTrads on special terms. To do this, you need to join the whitelist. To apply for join the whitelist, you must fulfill a number of requirements, which you can find out in more detail on the official website of the project. In short, you need to select the type of whitelist and fill out a short application form. All that remains to be done is to wait for the announcement of the result of the draw. The winners will have an especially low price for the issued token, which will have a good effect on their capital. Join the waitlist and get a feel for upcoming MT token presale. The ideal address will be announced after the end of the waitlist, so you still have time to join the front ranks of these events. A total of 65 million tokens will be allocated at a very attractive price. Take advantage of this offer. MetaTrads has a detailed roadmap up to the end of 2023. In the future, we will witness global updates and the introduction of new functions that will only make the project better and more famous. MetaTrads is an incredibly interesting and extensive project that is difficult to see in one video. Therefore, I suggest that you personally familiarize yourself with it. All necessary links can be found in the description under the video. Let's look at the future of this project together and become part of its big family. You were on the NelForBit channel. Thanks for watching.